Hello everyone, it's Hannah here with another quick tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to resolve an Excel issue where you can't open a file because the file format or extension is not valid. First, make sure you have access to the file location. Right-click on the file, open the file location and select Properties. Make sure the file opens with Microsoft Excel and that the file type is XLSX. If you're still having the same error message, right-click on the file and select Properties, then select the Security tab. Click on the Edit option next to Change Permissions. Select the Add button and in the Enter the Object Names to Select box, select the Advanced button. Wait for it to load, then select Find. Scroll down and select Everyone. Click OK. Then select Full Control and click Apply and OK. Select the Everyone option again, select the Edit option and make sure Full Control is selected. Click OK and then OK again to close everything. Once you've done that, try opening your Excel file again, and it should work just fine. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any other Excel issues, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.